Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to schedule Google Meet in advance in 2025. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser. Now the 2025 has been updated using AI, Google Meet, everything. How to schedule? Simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. So just go to Google Chrome and just go to Google Apps and just go to Calendar as you see here. So once you click a Google Calendar, it will direct you to the Google Calendar over here. So now I just want to schedule advance my meeting. What I have to do here? So simple, you can able to see here the calendars. October month calendar will be there. So November, December will be there. So I just want to choose October month and today date is 1. So I just want to schedule at 14th October 10 a.m. So just click the 14th October. Automatically 14th will be open here, or 14th October 2025. There will be a time schedule will be there. If you want 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. you can choose according to your needs. So I just want to select at 10 a.m. Once you select 10 a.m. the ad title will be there. So I just type a meeting with client. So I just type so the time duration will be there 10 a.m. to 10:30 or 10:15 or 10. You can choose 15 minutes, and I don't want any repeat and add a guest. I can just add a guest. If I have a mail ID I can add, otherwise I just want to give according to my needs. Got it. So if I have a mail ID I can give, otherwise you just copy the link and share with them, or you can schedule the meeting, you can remind them. So join with the Google Meet. There will be a Google Meet unique ID will be created over here as you see here. So you can copy and you can make a settings also, so that you can have a screen sharing option, send reaction, everything you can control during this schedule meeting onwards. So I just have a host management, so share screen should be disabled and send reaction should be disabled, as well as let contributors send the message also will be disabled. So it should be open for everyone or trusted. So I just want to trust someone, I just want to give a meeting, otherwise I can give open for everyone also. So let contributors share the activities and allow threads. So save this one and just click here to save. Automatically it will ask you to, would you like to send the invitation to the guest? So I already given the guest details because I have entered the mail ID. So if you want you can send, otherwise don't send. Just click here to send, means automatically meeting event will be sent to you and you are in a one, so you can able to see 14th will be having your meeting. So this is a simple and easiest way to schedule the meeting, to have a meeting with the particular persons or particular client or particular parents. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Yes, now you have a doubt. So how to schedule the meeting? So how to attend the meeting? Once you click here, automatically join the meeting with a Google Meet. Once you click means automatically it will move into your meeting details. Simple and easiest way to have. Now I just want to delete the meeting. What I have to do here? Simple, just go to the 14th October, just click here, so you can edit or delete. For example, I just want to edit the meeting. For example, time has been changed over here, so I just want to change the time, means I just click here for 10:15 to 10:30 or 1:30 to 1:45 or 1:50 to 15. I can give according to my name and just send the meeting with the message. So sorry for this trouble, I just had a meeting. Otherwise just click here to delete the meeting and send this one, so your meeting has been deleted. Simple and easiest way you can schedule the meeting properly and send the invitation to the particular client or parents or members. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.